Okay, so we just got done cooking up some ground beef, and we have a lot of fat and grease left over. So I thought, why not make a candle? So to make this candle, you're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need some beef, or just the grease, jar, or something to hold up a mold you're gonna make, and some tin foil with a mold. I'm gonna make a long skinny candle that's about this shape, and I'm gonna start by just covering this little thing, and that looks pretty good to me. So now we have this. It's all slanted downward, and you're gonna put it in the jar so it stays up. So now we're gonna pour the grease in. Beef in there. Oops. So here I have some cotton thread, and I'm just gonna make a wick from it. And to do that, I'm gonna cut 3 segments of just about equal length, and then I'm going to braid them. I'm gonna just do a braided wick so it's a little thicker, and I think it will work better. But to braid it, I'm just gonna tie a knot in it, and then just braid it. Oops. Alright, so there is the wick. I'm just gonna put it down in there and try and get it about center. And if it's not center, I'm not gonna worry about it. So now I'm gonna put it in the freezer until all of everything solidifies, and then we'll take it out and show you. Okay, so I made this little candle holder so we could put our candle in it. But right now it's hardened, everything's hardened up, so I'm going to take it out of the mold. Maybe tear it open and pull this out. So now, put this in the candle holder. I'm going to cut this right about here, and there we go. And there we have it. Our candle